Today, 7 months after installation, I will be doing a quick review of my Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. I installed this in February this year and we are now in October. We are located in Southern Ontario, so this means that I did the install in the wintertime. Even then, the lights hold perfectly fine and not even one has fallen off. Not even after power washing the exterior of our house this past summer. Some of my neighbors got a different product installed by professionals and they paid between $3,200 and almost 5,000 Canadian. The main difference is that theirs has a channel that holds the lights matching 100% the color of the soffit, and it completely hides all the wires. Also, other advantages on that is that each light can be individually replaced and they got a 10-year warranty. There are very similar products that can be purchased with the channels, but after extensive research, I believe this was the best DIY option for what we wanted and our budget. I bought the Govee lights on Amazon and I did the install myself. The price on Amazon is around $950 and at times you can get a coupon that goes from $120 to $150 off. The lights can also be ordered from the Govee website. When I did the installation, I made sure that I was keeping the main power box and the Wi-Fi reset controller inside the garage to protect it from the elements, especially the cold temperatures. As you can see, I installed my lights a bit differently than how this normally should be. I wanted to have the lights closer. Since the original spacing between each light is 19 inches, I installed them at 9 inches apart. We are very happy with the results for 3 main reasons. Having them closer gives a nicer look, the wires are less visible, and I believe it provides a bit of extra support for each individual light with the 3M stickers. Govee has a 3-year product warranty and the lights technically can't be individually replaced. You will have to replace the full string. However, there is a way and I will show you how I replace one individual light on my next video. So overall, this is a perfect DIY product offering almost the same results as what my neighbors got. However, if you don't mind spending the money or you don't have the ability to go up on your roof and do the installation yourself, I would definitely recommend to call a professional company to do it for you. Honestly, at that point, if you can afford it, go with the channels since it does offers a much neater and permanent look than Govee does. Also, the apps are very different, and after comparing the apps with the ones for my neighbors, I think Govee has some improvement to do since I found the other apps to be more user-friendly and have some better features as well.